Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the compressed zipped folder is invalid error and Windows cannot open the folder in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up Chrome and search for 7-zip and press enter. Select the download option. Now you need to select the download depending on your system bit. To find your system bit, you just need to go to search menu and type about your PC. Click on open it. In system type, you can able to see your system bit over here. After finding that, just close stuff here. Now select the download option depending on how much bit you have. After getting download done, select the file and install it. Select install option. After getting installed done, select close. And now you just need to navigate to the zip file you got this error. Just right click on the zip file and select show more options and select 7-zip and select extract here and it's get extracted guys. Now you just need to find the file and it gets extracted and now your problem fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.